Beginner's Guide to Real Estate Investing. Greetings, future real estate magnates. I'm your trusty Real Estate Sensei, and today we're diving headfirst into the captivating world of real estate investing. Get ready as I walk you through the comprehensive beginner's guide to transforming properties into lucrative investments. Step 1. Goal setting. Ready to embark on your real estate journey? First, let's identify your goals. Are you aiming for quick profits through flips or a steady stream of rental income? Defining your goals sets the compass for your investment strategy. Step 2. Education. Knowledge is your greatest tool. Dive into real estate literature, podcasts, and online courses. Understand terminology, financing options, and market trends. The more you learn, the more confident you'll be in navigating the real estate landscape. Step 3. Financing. Let's talk green. Explore financing avenues. Traditional loans, private lenders, or partnering with investors. Overcome the hurdle of funding by understanding your options. Remember, there's always a solution if you're determined. Step 4. Property search. Uncover the gems in the market. Research growth areas, check local listings, and assess potential properties. Seek advice from real estate agents and other investors. The thrill of finding a lucrative investment property is like discovering hidden treasure. Step 5. Due diligence. Time for detective work. Conduct thorough property inspections, research historical data, and estimate repair costs. Skipping due diligence is like sailing without a map. It's a risk you can't afford. Step 6. Negotiation. Put your negotiation skills to work. Bargain for the best deal. It's not just about price, but also terms, repairs, and creative financing options. Sharpen your negotiation prowess and watch as opportunities unfold. Step 7. Closing the deal. The finale. Coordinate with professionals, sign paperwork, and exchange keys. This is where your dreams become reality. Your first property is just the beginning of your real estate adventure. And there you have it, Budding Investors, your guide to confidently stepping into the world of real estate. Remember, every seasoned investor started right where you are now. So dream big, take action, and pave your path to prosperity. If this guide has ignited your passion, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more simplified real estate insights. Until next time, may your investments be strategic and your journey exhilarating.